this before me carry your walk. When you get the food you can go. If you're slippery when you wet me bring rope. Tie you to me cocky find your short. You can't talk, you start sing.
Video.
That's it.
Yes.
Gas on a rate. Let me tell you this. Don't gas on after rate.
No.
Oh, Jay-Z. The man take over. Yo. You see by December. Remember me promising. By December.
DJ. Me I just said DJ. Me see I try normalize some people around here now. You do it in a subliminal way. Oi, Rasta see what I do. Yeah, Vybz Kartel. Let me tell you this. You can't normalize no boy around here. Yeah, you could have called.
Doctor, please me I beg you, bro. No drop no more song. The one that we drop it bad. But no drop no more. Remember say Kurta them beat you already. Remember the team they beat you already and I go club, you know. Take off belt and beat it.
Yo, Nation, we're going to about Adrian back in the building with another episode. Before we get into anything, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Nation, Vybz Kartel just dropped a brand new banger where everybody are talk about it in the streets called I Know. You see me, I say, we've been waiting for this song for a good while now, but Vybz Kartel finally released this banger. It's a good track, you see me, as a Nation. Don't tell me how you feel about it. Let's get into it.
When you get the food you can go. If you're slippery when you wet me bring rope. Tie you to me cocky find your short. You can't talk, you start sing. You wanna say you wanna be a girl love make no other girl like this.
Nation, Vybz Kartel I Know track become a banger in Jamaica. Everybody I use I know. On the time you think in a comment box about this. When we are talk about flow, we are talk about real flow. We are talk about different type of flow in a one song. And this me a talk about. I hope you them dancer artists them learn how to construct a proper song in a sense of way where people are gravitate to it real fast. You see me I say first thing that come out dog say yo I know. You see me, and you have to big up Vybz Kartel because them money a drop banger from time, and I like to see where him a going within a dancer space, because right now the dancer space really get back where it was. Because dancehall they die down for a little while, as well enough say dancehall they are pretty.
Serial killer stab you in your throat. Uncle Adi there with the antidote. When you get the food you can go. If you're slippery when you wet me bring rope. Tie you to me cocky find your short. You can't talk, you start sing. You wanna say you wanna be a girl love me.
Clot. You dog say if you slippery dog I bring rope. Jaja a trouble in the dancehall this summer, you know. Motherfucker some are done and this Christmas a problem.
You this before me carry your walk. When you get the food you can go. If you're slippery when you wet me bring rope. Tie you to me cocky find your short. You can't.
We can see where Ishawna face a lot of backlash in the dancer. Some people are call her Vybz Kartel tail, but Ishawna take to her Instagram, and this is what Ishawna and Vybz Kartel have to say about this. Let's take a listen.
Video.
That's it.
Yes.
Gas on a rate. Let me tell you this. Don't gas on after rate.
No.
Yeah.
Yes. Remember them say me I the tail of them, me a goat tail.
Yes. And them
I'm
a
on a rat tail.
Yeah.
I'm on a ponytail.
No.
Dirty people.
Yeah,
we're in Florida.
Where are you? See it? Scatter. Oh, we're living in Miami. Is she? Oh, you mean? No long shot. Girl alone trace. I mean. Watch me baby mother on the phone and watch me. People are share the informer one. What is...
Oh Nation, we can see where MC Nuffy take to his social stating that all our artists them we are fight Vybz Kartel not gonna make it far because Vybz Kartel come and open the gate for a lot of artists.
Oh Jay-Z. The man take over. Yo. You see by December. Remember me promising. By December, I'm not talk about no more artists but Kartel. You see by December, I'm not talk about no more. I don't care when a guy wants to sell, nobody wants to come me that and I just me that. Plain and straight. When I talk a guy can't vex about I just say it go. I just say it go and I just say it go. The man change the whole entire thing. You know see people? You better try join force with him. Hear me I want you better try join force with Kartel, you know. You better try Sparta big up every time. You better try join force with Kartel. Because trust me, the way man I go deal with the last part I think, yeah. No space now I go left for some money, you know. And I see you start me I go on and think a joke. Wesley big up. Man forward. Crazy thing. Crazy song. Crazy girl song. You see by December, we're not talking about nobody else. We don't hear the man flavor and different style. We don't listen to song them. It's a different, it's a brand new Kartel. It's a brand new genre, man, I go, you know. And I'm going to call it genre, yeah. Prison release genre. The prison release genre set a song. Yo. Be hits after hits. By this time, I'm not talking about nobody. And you better look out back for Freedom Street, you know. And look out for your boss' birthday too, you know. Trouble! And I lock up in a prison and that's jail and lock up in a jail and lock up in a prison. I never did understand what I say. I never believe enough I say. Dancer, lock up a jail, lock up a prison, and see that return. It proving. I'm not telling us man I got free. It proving. Everything when I talk, I'm telling us man I come run back to place. Joe Flow, big up yourself. It proving. I'm telling you. The man can prove everything. I'm telling us man I can take over about the place. I tell you man, I can take back dancehall from outside the dungeon. From underneath the cellar. Dancehall under the cellar. But I don't know about nobody, you know. I'm a boss, me I talk about. Because I'm a boss. What make it possible? And so me well easy and a cruise. The man come save it, Joe Flow. Joe Flow. Remember me tell you. Go listen about the bars. Joe Flow, go listen about the bars. A different set of flow the man I give you. Song after song and video after video. Now the man out, a problem. Man, the 13 years of prison. You see that 13 is, the man have one of that 13 years. For sure, I say, him are the real G round here. Boya. So now, so history talk about Bob Marley, history talk about Jay-Z, and history talk about Michael Jackson, and history talk about Whitney Houston. A Kartel now, one teacher, one world boss, one addict. Sometimes when I talk to him and I tell him, he may say, no, Andrew, no. I say, DJ, in the business where you are saying, and you are the rascal. What? And you are the Michael Jackson. Come on, time, I'm a reason, you know. I'm here tell him how great him is, you know. More time, I'm a DJ reason. I'm here tell him how great him is. And I say, no, Andrew, man. I say, no, DJ. You great. When I call some name, the man I say, no, Andrew, man. I say, no. Are you no other person, you know? Are you the Michael Jackson now, you know? You're the most popular person right now, right across the board around the world. Nobody not do this. 6 consecutive arena. Which dance all artists do this and a brag and boast. But if you give the man in blood clad flowers the right way, this not happen. Wanna stop it. Wanna stop the foolishness. Glorify that man. Everyone will go. No matter what the situation. Everyone will go and say, yes, I'm from Jamaica. One time we usually say, I'm from Jamaica. Where Bob Marley from? Well, Bob, respect and I love you. But right now, I'm from Jamaica, where Vybz Kartel from. Yes.
No nation, as you guys can hear from the MC Nuffy himself, one of the closest to Vybz Kartel right now. But we can say we have a lot of people that bash Vybz Kartel at the same time, saying that yo, Vybz Kartel come out with this song I Know, which Vybz Kartel called Jaden name in the song. Jaden is a guy where a lot of people don't like in Jamaica on TikTok. Is me as a nation. So no time wanna think about this wagwan. Let's take a listen.
Teacher, see the girl there. Make it play then. Hey, skate now your wall, I know Jaden this.
DJ, Me I just say DJ. Me see I try normalize some people around here now. You do it in a subliminal way. Oi, Rasta Siwonado. Yeah, Vybz Kartel. Let me tell you this. You can't normalize no boy around here. Yeah, you could have called 100 of them name in a song. Yeah, because we see you yell one of them pan video and acknowledge boy, you know. And now you come boy, you call boy name in a song. A punishment to not get right through judgment. Yeah, can't back it crowd go give them. Yeah, we not grow so. Yeah, no boy can take off a pants when I play them the game there. Yeah, DJ.
No, Nation, we can see where a lot of people have a problem with this. Where Vybz Kartel call Jaden name, a lot of people say, yo, Vybz Kartel couldn't call a lot of other people else name. And where Vybz Kartel take picture with Jaden in the first place. So a lot of people are wonder what go with Vybz Kartel and Jaden. Is me I say, or if Vybz Kartel is use Jaden name as a way to twist it in a him song. Or Vybz Kartel use Jaden name just because him knows the people are gonna talk about this situation just for marketing. I don't tell me what you think, Nation, in a comment box.
Now the streets to the mad, them the vicious one bag of batty man, that be a balls, them a lick up. Fred, that time new name.
Nation dancehall get hot again. Devin da Dakta released this track towards Masicka. Got a lot of people wondering how I go on with Masicka and Devin da Dakta, which a lot of people didn't know that back in the days Devin da Dakta and Masicka go at it, and Masicka make Tory Tad man them beat Devin da Dakta with belt in a nightclub. You see me? So Devin da Dakta carry vengeance from them time then. No, Devin da Dakta see this opportunity as a good time for hit Masicka with 2 songs, not just 1. Let's take a listen.
Your big pussy mama know you're born for them fuck. Dada buck him up in the club, not a gangster. Pop off him belt buckle him, man no gangster. Shane skull, ya why your brain get me bad bro. Make a pussy ma fly beside the junker. Running a war run, dead the nice sport. That fish a got dead the wall of them a go and float one. Crocodile pussy them a just stroke one. Let a belt tell the little guy come.
Nation, don't tell me what I think about them 2 songs with Devin da Dakta drop. Me personally feel like them are a tough track, and me personally feel Devin da Dakta can take on Masicka. Well, a lot of people disagree with me and say, yo, Devin da Dakta can't war Masicka, and me believe different. Said Devin da Dakta can war Masicka. Them youth they just never get the opportunity where a lot of youth get. You see me I say, and them youth they out in the street for a long time you seek the opportunity. But we are gonna see what I go on, because we don't think the crooks are gonna answer and attack. Masicka not gonna really answer Devin da Dakta. As what Devin da Dakta say,
Doctor, please me I beg you, bro. No drop no more song. The one that we drop it bad, but no drop no more. Remember say quarter them beat you already, you know. Remember the team they beat you already, and I go club, you know. Take off belt and beat it like a pitney, you know. Yeah. And make Shelly and Curran have to come on TV, come talk for you and kind of something, you know. Remember, man. Your song where you drop for Masicka, it bad still. But no drop no more. And Sean Storm, no drop no more song neither. Because we know you can't take on a Masicka war. You know lyrical, you can't take on it. I just raw truth. You don't know, so I just go talk the truth and done. I remember say I meme inbox and say careful. That's why I said Jibra go bust off him head. Yeah man, we got done off all of the camp down over this man. All of the we can't even say Gaza genocide because in this Vybz Kartel. All of the genocide, the crocodile them, the cut lizard them. Cause I see them in a studio and make bag of nice about it's you know. Yeah man, Jibra go run out pound man. Whole Spaniard man. The man see the Spanish town wake up man. Whole of bad artists in Spain I go bust off them head one by one. Yeah man. Skeng. Remember, I tell you, drop a grenade in a swamp, you know. Dynamite in a swamp and the crocodile, them free to push up, you know. Load them. Jibra go kill off all of them. Just load them. Because them boy they soft, you know. Them boy they are porridge, man. Them boy they not ready. And we know they're afraid of alkaline, too. We know they're afraid of alkaline. Although alkaline I move like a idiot and now find out it. But Devin, love Masicka. We don't want them beat you again.
So yo, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Big up everybody we are watch. Big up everybody we are share it. Is me I say, me appreciate you all. You know what I mean. Until next time, guys, we out.